Bella, who is that?
Grinch.
Who? No, what is that on the floor?
What's that?
What is it?
Grinch.
No, it's a chipmunk.
Chipmunk.
Okay, make him dance.
Okay.
Go press the button, make him dance. You dancing with him? Shake it. Mommy's shaking it. Do just like the chipmunk. What's the chipmunk doing? Yeah. You excited about Santa Claus? When's Santa Claus? Who's coming on Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Who's coming?
Tuesday.
Who's coming here?
Here.
Who? Santa Claus. Santa Claus is coming.
No, I want Santa Claus.
You don't want Santa Claus to come.
No.
He's going to bring you toys.
I want Santa Claus to come.
What is that right now? Chipmunk.
What chipmunk?
Chickamunk?
What chipmunk?
You want to go watch the Grinch?
Yeah.
You want to go upstairs, go night-night, watch the Grinch?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say Merry Christmas.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, night-night.
Night-night.
Say Merry Christmas 2012.
This is 12.
Okay, bye-bye.